darn. Can't find it. Huh? There it is. Wow. A minute. I don't know if you can hear me or not. This is my first video with this free video screen. Anyways, this is Will Bradford from West Michigan, United States. It's 7:17, as you can see. New York time or Eastern Standard Time. And we're watching La Paz webcam from the Webcams to Mexico on the 21st of December 2016, and we have some call it a sundog, but I'm thinking that's a lot of times with one, and it's so large that there's, as you can see, there's a planet behind this, right there. It's outlined. Let me do a quick thing here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Alright, let me do a quick color. And bring down the gamma. And a little bit of Saturation. There it is, right there, fellas. Right there. It's right in there. Let's see, I was looking for something else here. Let me see if there's anything in front of the moon or sun. A lot of times I get a little indentation, green or brown, pink. That's something spinning in front. All right. And we'll go back to La Paz. Looks like it is encountering some clouds here. As you can see, I think that's chemtrail there. Yep. It's dispersing. Trying to hide it. As you can see, they got it good coming down at the sundown. Okay, we know that's there. That's getting brighter. Did have the time up. As soon as I move that disappears. Let's go to a couple others. Whoa, what is that one? Oh, okay. So see you did. See you did, Pamarica Chitori. Another bright one, and of course these are all up. Let me down the zoom. What's nice about this, I don't have to worry about the time limit. Let's go back up to where it gives the date and time. And we're just going to watch some of these. That one's just about done, I'd say. Well, there's a little brightness that just occurred. It's too bad I didn't get that at 25 after. Let's see if that one happens. Well, some adjustment was just made. And there's the flares right there, 2 and 3, 4. Thinking we're starting to see this odd-shaped item now in the sky cams, in all sky cams. You go and you'll see these two squares, basically. And all they are is reflectors that are, again, helping with that deceiving of the Fresnel lens. It acts like a lighthouse type of multi-mirrored reflection. It gives us the different colors of blue and refraction of light colors. And this is the true object possibility, or this one could be the true object. Alright. They sure are hiding it. Look how that cloud base really came up. It's still there though. What's this? Two suns next to each other? Oh, you can't see that. I think you might be able to in this one. Be interesting if you can. Be my trial. We have those, and then we have this one. Definitely 1 or 2 or 3 light sources. La Paz is the last sundown in the Mexico, webcams to Mexico.com set that I've ever noticed. Just looking for odd other objects. What is this here? Alright. So a lot of times you got to look around because they obfuscated a lot of this sky with the chemtrails to look at exactly the planet will look exactly like the sky, so it'll be kind of invisible. And there's another round object somewhat that I see in the sky. Let me take a picture of that one. Okay. And if you saw that or not, I will take this one over here also. If I can find it again. There's one here. And I'll check it out later on the color corrections. Yeah, we got a pretty good cloud mass. So they're all going to disappear in the clouds. As you can see, kind of mountain time at 1725, which is 5, and we're 725, which is correct in 2 time zones over. Alright, let's keep on. Whoa, did that brighten up? Holy mackerel. I don't know when it did, but we'll put it on. It's usually almost it lasts a minute. We have usually several during the sundown. Sometimes up to 5 or 10. Sometimes only 3. Alright. Well, it's coming on 45 seconds. Just about when I came in on it. There it goes again. It's about a minute. And then it brightened up again. Looking for any other anomaly out there. That's all farther I can go there. That's just a cloud. I don't see anything there. Alright, let's go to this guy. That's all the way over to the left. Alright, and we're going to start back with it. Acapulco, Cabada. See when that brightens up again. There it goes. Boom. Okay, so that one, let's see if we see one on this one. Sometimes they happen within a couple seconds. There it goes. Couple seconds. That was it. Alright, so that raised. The clouds are giving us a weird setup. There is a little something here, though, possibly. That might reflect the La Paz. I think I'm too late to get this one. If it did. Now this right here is a telltale sign of possibly hiding a planet. It kind of covers it at times, like that in stripes. It's a striped planet, basically. And I see this quite a bit. Even in my house, I've got it pictured. It's a shadow underneath it. Let me take a picture of it close, and then we'll do a color. See if I can get anything up to make, but it's disappearing because it's going overhead. This is a sundog. Let's see what that is. Let's try and see if that's it, and that's it. I'm still thinking it was over here. Now we've got maybe a new one coming up. Let's get a little bit of large. Okay. Alright, let's look at that for a minute. I'll take a picture. Screen. Look at the below. Shades. Right, come back and do this. It's funny that cloud bank is right there. Set that up every night. They know what the winds are. I know since I photographed the Campeche Panoramica the other night with a planet onto the right going to sundown. I'm sure they're going to start closing these channels off due to repairs or something, new programming. You know what excuse they're going to do. The Illuminati elites are going to say, oh, we can't have that being seen by millions of people. That's an odd thing right here. That's just a circle, odd. Take a screen capture. It's going to be more like a ball. Alright, let's see if we got anything up in here. Well, I think I'm going to drop out here. Let's go through them one more time. Oh, we got a brightness again. Wow. Oh, I got into another one. As you can see, let's see. Okay. It's brightened up too, because this was kind of like laying flat. So all of a sudden this is picked up. There you go. Look at that. Now we got them going before the sun even touched the back or the surface of the Earth on the plane with the camera. It was above the horizon. And it flashed. And look at that, another flash. That took only less than half a minute. Let's see if it happens again in another half a minute. I think it just decreased a little bit because it's sun's slipping down farther. Yep, there it goes again, less than half a second. It's about 25 seconds. And it should release here. There it goes. It's about 15, 20 seconds. Let's see if we get another one here in about five seconds or so. There it is right there. And let's see, in about 15 seconds or so less, it'll decrease. It'll release. There it goes. Getting this pretty good. And about 10-2 here, we should get another blast. 10 or 5-2. There it is. I'm getting this one down. It should release in a couple seconds here. There it goes. And we should get another surge here in another 5 seconds. Maybe, yeah, there. So what is doing that? There it goes again. Is this the helium releases? Because with the coronal holes that we've got shown to us right now, there's not hydrogen being burnt with the fusion. That's the hole problem. It's not a hole exactly, it's just doesn't have the burn surface. So that straight energy is gamma, microwave, and helium coming at us from another place. It's just like us pulsing. There we go again. We're going to have another pulse maybe. Oh, right there. Anyways, I was interested to watch that pulse. Let's see what this one is doing. Yep, same thing. Now, this was the sundown, and this is the other one. Actually, we're showing 3. Isn't that interesting, folks? 4. 1. The logic there. 2. Possibly 3, and possibly 4. This was a sundog, and so was this. What is this up here? Let me get a... Can I do that? There we go. That's supposed to be the sun. I've got to go down here and bump it over. And that's the other one. Pan out. How about that, people? At least 3 sources of light on one sundown in La Paz. Oh, shoot, I dropped that out, didn't I? I think, yeah, there we go. La Paz. I don't know if we'll see the brightness factor on this because there's so much clouds. Nope, don't want to do that. Can't hide that. This might be interesting because which one might brighten up might be the one that's telling us. Now, the sun was in the center. It was down by this building coming down. When this is the only one. Now this one is showing up. No glitter there. Okay, this is San Lucas Panoramica, which has the condos and buildings in front of the shoreline. And let's pan over to the right. No, it can't. That's it. This might have 2, 1, 2. I don't think so. We'll stay on these. Oh, did this brighten up? Oh my word. This is the Acapulco Cabada and Cabadra, B-R-A-D-A. And I'm going to try to pay a little more attention over here. Right. Could be one on the left, wouldn't know it. These two here, closer than the others, but depends on the angle you're looking at. This could be a separate southern angle, kind of looking north at it. And it'd be on a tougher angle. There are some people coming off. Wow. Let's see if we see any oh, look at that. Got the shadow. So there's possibly something interfering or going around or blocking some of the sundown line. That's the telltale sign. Let me bring it down just 200. There, I feel better. I can get more of a, there we go, from point to point. That is really telling. There's something that's spinning, moving. This might be another one here. Alright, we'll come back to that. Well, that's awful. Beautiful. Sure is, though, but the iron oxide is horrible. That's not too good for our systems, bodies. Alright, there goes last of the pause. We have no sundown tonight. Last of the Ciudad de Cacciatore Panoramica. And the European, that's gone down now. Sorry I missed the rest of that, but I think that's pretty much over, so we're going to go ahead and delete that one, delete this one. Yeah, I'm going to keep that out, but concentrate on the other one. That's pretty much toast. Yeah, let's see what that one is. I wonder if that's an ancient ruin. That's either a volcano or a ruin. Look for any Venus or stars. And I always like to get the time. This one is really interesting, though. This is on fire. Let me bring this over here, get past that light. More this way. Huh. So is that a volcano there? Okay, there's the time. Central Time is 1849, and I've got 1949, so it's Chicago time in America. Let's see, there's a few stars trying to pop out now. Venus should be over here coming. Nope. That's done. Looks like it did brighten up though, as it is the last one. That's it for Mexico to webcams of December 21st, 2016, as things seem to be closer and more intense with the magnetosphere of the Earth between that, the sun of having coronal holes and more iron oxide on the Earth and helium coming in from another source, the universe. And we have a comet coming in, HP Honda, that's due around the 28th. That swings around, which will put more pressure on for earthquakes, as we already have enough already. So be advised, be smart, and love one another and trust in your instincts. If you say get away from the seashore, get away. All right. This is Will Bradford out from West Michigan. Peace and God's blessings to you all.